In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off sleep mode on your Instagram account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if sleep mode was turned on your Instagram account, it means that you no longer receive notifications during sleep mode hours. To turn this off so that you can receive notifications as usual, to do this, go to your app and tap on the profile icon down below. Then go to these three lines to access settings. Under settings and activity, head to how you use Instagram, and below it go to time management. Here you can see we have sleep mode. Tap on it and you can see we have sleep mode turned on. Here you'll see the start time, end time, as well as the number of days that this is on. To disable or turn off all this, just toggle off sleep mode here, and this will disable sleep mode on your Instagram account. So that's how you can disable or turn off sleep mode on your Instagram account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.